Hello, welcome to the art show. Series 7. Wow, look at this. Look at this. I colored this. I colored that. And look how well I stayed in my lines. I see how well I stayed in my lines. I have many years of experience when it comes to art. Many years. And I just want to show this to y'all. Is that beautiful? And since I've been doing this for many years and have years of experience, I did such a good job on that. Wow, look at that! Look how beautiful that is. Look at all the reds and greens and orange. The birds are the bird has like light green and yellow right there, and this one has brown and blue. Just beautiful colors. Subscribe and like, and also read at the end of this video.